up and get y'all caught up because a lot has been going on and I have not been able to vlog the way I expected to. I got things going on in my personal life. I do work an actual job, and I'm also like trying to stay in the present moment with my friends and with my little special friend that's here visiting. So we are on a house sit in Jacksonville, Florida. I've been here for about a week. I just decided to come down here a couple months ago. I started working on this. Cool with me bringing a +1, and this is one of the first times where I've actually brought someone that I was dating to actually really truly come along with me on a house sit and help me out and everything. So I'm really happy he's here. He's been great. I'm watching 2 really small dogs. I'll show you guys them. They're on the younger side. I usually don't deal with like more so like puppies, so they're full of energy. They're super cute, but they also have been working on their potty training, so they've had an accident or 2, but other than that, it's going really good. I'm happy to bring somebody into this part of my life. I feel like I guard myself so much, but like I feel like we've been, you know, getting to know each other, and I felt comfortable with him coming on the sit with me, and I'm glad he came. It's such a help actually. Jacksonville has a lot going on, so we're starting off with like a beach date. We're gonna go to the beach, grab some food. Hopefully he can help me show y'all my full outfit because it is super cute. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit. A lot of this is gonna be b-roll because I'm trying to be present and intentional, but y'all can come along with me, and yeah, we'll see how the rest of the vlog. This is Chester and this is Gus. I had to put diapers on them because we were going to be going for a long time. Got their little diapers on, but they did really good. So I'm gonna give them a treat. Gus. But these are the first set of dogs that I had that weren't all the way potty trained. So they gotta wear their little diapers if you're gonna be out for more than I think like 4 hours. But I've had some dogs that can hold for like 6 hours. All right, so we're taking them for a walk now, even though they definitely went in them diapers, y'all. Like if you give them the diaper option, they will definitely take it, but I'm still gonna walk them. Fit for tonight, my little orange set from Fashion Nova. I got my hair in some braids in the front, bundles in the back, little bag from JWP, and something simple, just some sandals. Right, y'all, so I saw this on TikTok. We're about to get this bread. Thank you. I don't know, I saw this little bread bakery thing on TikTok. It's always full. They got a line. Lord, hope she don't sell out. This is so good. I'm excited. There's a lot of options. I'm actually a little overwhelmed.
It was in the air. It was a smile. I was humming. You were whispering something.
Earlier I went to this bakery out in the, like, it was like 15 minutes from where I'm staying in Jacksonville. It's this lady, she owns it, she's a Christian woman, and she has bakery just kind of like outside with a little shed thing, and everyone lines up. Anyway, got there early at 9 o'clock, and I got 2 different types of sourdough bread. I got the plain sourdough and I got the cheddar, onion, and chive. So I'm gonna make a little sandwich. I got this chicken breast salad from Publix. It's already made, but I want to kind of like soup it up, so I'm gonna chop up some hard-boiled eggs, probably put a little bit salt and pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, a little bit of onion, and I got some lettuce to put on it. Since today is my last day, I kind of want to eat all that, and then we'll have some chips, and that's kind of gonna be our little lunch before we get ready to go out for the night. All right, so I'm about to go out. We got to put the dogs up because they cannot be out just all willy-nilly. Chester, see, Gus knows vibes. See, he tired. Chester, come on. This the hard-headed one. At our first spot of the night, he think I can't hang out. Y'all better tell him. Y'all better tell him.
Yeah, all right.
Anyways, we at the Block. It's a new spot. I think it came out like last year, so I'll show it to y'all. I don't know nothing about it, but if you're looking for somewhere to go out, I guess like on a weeknight, weekend, whatever. They got the block. Looks cutesy.
She'll be asleep by 10 o'clock.
No, I won't. Don't tell them that.
Oh, they got the game on? Oh, JAX.
I wonder if it's at that rooftop. Hi. He ready to request his song.
Red's bumping.
All right, y'all. We're at the silent music thing. The book on blue.
We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see. Yeah.
It's literally a whole new, like 2 months later, a whole new location. I'm kicking off this vlog in Miami. I'm doing like a little Miami day trip, and then I'm getting on a cruise with my boyfriend. We're celebrating his birthday, so we're in Miami for that, and we're staying at this beautiful hotel. I can't remember the name right now, but I have to show it to y'all because they have so many really nice amenities. We're only in this hotel for 1 night, but we're going on a little walking food tour, Cuban walking food tour, and then we're gonna get on the cruise Carnival. Say what y'all want about Carnival, but that price was right. This is my fit for today. I feel like the lighting in here is not the best, but I got this outfit a while ago, never wore it, and I got some braids. I got them done by this girl in Arlington, and it was like $300 for like butt length extra small box braids. Haven't gotten braids in years, so I love these. And yeah, that's pretty much the look. Bag from Old Navy, jewelry, Fashion Nova, and yeah, that's the look. This is the vibe for today. Comfortable, cute, breezy. Like they really have everything you need. This is the woman's steam room. It smells like menthol in here, so I'm definitely gonna try to get into this tonight. First little excursion, the tour. Once it starts touring, but it smells good in here. Quick flight to Cuba, quick flight to Cuba.
We never do any spicy in our food. Pastries later on, we're gonna have some juice from the fruit market. We'll get some Cuban sandwiches, all of that stuff. You're not gonna be hungry by the end of the food. Okay, we'll talk a little more about the other places that we're gonna be checking out. Of course, it's not gonna be fun.
So this is a walking food tour, and we're just walking around Little Havana.
So this is the outside art gallery. All of this that you guys are gonna see now in just a second is we're gonna have the cigar boxes decorating. We have a picture of the Domino Park back in 1963. So keep in mind, when was the Cuban Revolution? When did it happen? Any of you guys know? A little bit less. 1959. You guys, January 1st of 1959. That's what.
Oh, this is a cigar spot.
A private collection again, so there's no other collection anywhere like this in Little Havana, so take advantage, take some pictures, look around, and then when you're ready, we'll go get some guava pastries at the bakery.
What you learned?
I learned that they play double nines. They play double nines.
Wow.
Dominoes.
Okay.
So if you want to play with them, you gotta learn double nines. You can't play. They don't like it. So he's just telling me. I was like, "What's the big significance?"
Yeah.
Well, it's just a game they play.
Yeah.
We got our Cuban sandwiches. All right, quick room tour. Love how bright and airy it is. And it's pretty spacious, which I love. And I also love that there's no carpet. I cannot stand when hotels have carpet for some reason, because I feel like y'all already don't clean, so I know y'all ain't cleaning. But this is the room. Bathroom's pretty cool. We got a little table, wiped it down. We went to Pollo after we left the Cuban tour early because honestly it was hot. So we got some Pollo, water. We just gonna chill out. So they had these fried cheese plantains. They're pretty good, y'all. Don't sleep. But we got I love Pollo. Like every time I come to Florida, I gotta get me some Pollo because it's only right. It's like, if I'm gonna eat fast food, this is how I want to do it. I got the quarter chicken rice beans, and he got pork rice beans, and I think it comes with chicken too. Pretty much everything. Yeah, he got the trio. It's like 3 different types of meat, rice, beans. So we're gonna chill out until it's time for me to get ready for dinner. That was like, oh my god.
Please make sure
Okay.
your seatbelt is fastened.
Oh yeah. First of all, because it's not a human, it don't even know how to really navigate to you. So we had to walk around. But it's not that bad. Oh, it knows. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we're on our way to dinner. Babe, you know where we're going?
That in the future, right?
No, we're really in the future.
Take my hand to another lane, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, name a place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain.
All right, y'all, so we finally just got on the in our room for the cruise. This is my first cruise, so I'm gonna show y'all what the room looked like if you haven't been on one.
With you shortly. Everything's down on the
We should ride a bike round Amsterdam.
They claim don't use their body stuff. All right, so we just got checked into the room. This is on the phone trying to get a fan. Top, mattress topper.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I was calling to see if we could get some of the complimentary items to our room, like the mattress topper, fan.
Ma'am, what you need?
Okay, a fan, a topper, the blue blanket,
Oh, sorry, for fan, you have to call guest services dialing 777.
Okay.
I'm gonna provide you, okay?
Everything else though. We are all settled in. We unpacked our stuff. This is how the bathroom looks. Not bad. I'm about to take a nap. Our luggage just came, so we'll put that stuff up. And I actually put a bath bomb. If you guys like those aromatherapy bombs, this is like the perfect time to bring it because it'll like release the fragrance in the shower. So I got a eucalyptus one. It's right there in the corner, so when we take our showers it'll smell good. Not Norwegian.
Oh, wait, don't miss it. But right now, DJ Braids. Which one is our last song?
Our first breakfast, loaded mine up, got a lot of protein, French toast.
See, take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see. Yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. We should ride a bike round Amsterdam. Feel the breeze taking the sights.